Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best 3D printing filament brands in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is HATCHBOX PLA 3D Printer Filament. Due to the increasing demand for PLA materials for 3D printing, we are featuring a couple of budget-friendly PLA printing filaments on our list. Out of which, the HATCHBOX PLA 3D Printer Filament is a preferable option because of its 1.75 mm standard diameter and a pinpoint tolerance accuracy of +/0.03 mm. It is also shipped in vacuum-sealed packaging to avoid problems in the shipping. HATCHBOX has mentioned a suitable temperature range for this filament, which is around 180–220 degrees Celsius, and each spool of this PLA filament weighs around 1 kilogram. As for the spool, it has a large 7.88 inches diameter and 2.69 inches width that avoids problems with the feeding mechanism. It also has a hub diameter of 2.20 inches that is accepted by most machines. Pros: a great option for first-time users. Best filament for testing different designs. Cons: cheaper PLA options are available. Products do not have a pleasing finish. Number 2. Our second best pick is SUNLU PLA 3D Printer Filament. If you liked the carbon fiber filament from SUNLU, then you will like its PLA filament variant available at the most budget-friendly price tag from our list. It carries similar high quality in production as we saw in the earlier pick, with high purity of material and low shrinkage problem. This offers the best layer bonding amongst many other PLA-based filaments and increases the quality of the model. It follows a strict tolerance of +/0.02 mm through its periphery and provides a uniform diameter of 1.75 mm for the whole filament spool. The spool itself weighs 1 kilogram when it is in use. That ensures the quantity of filament available with the spool. It has been dried for 24 hours before packaging, so it comes in clog-free and bubble-free packaging. Pros: it has a manageable temperature range of 215–220 degrees Celsius. Easily available without high investment. Cons: cannot be used for heavy-duty modeling. Limited color options available. Number 3. Our third best pick is OVERTURE PLA 3D Printer Filament. PLA is the most common type of filament used by a large number of 3D printers. Therefore, we will focus on general PLA filaments in this part of the article that are offered at a cheap rate and get the job done without any problem. The OVERTURE PLA filament is one of the most acclaimed PLA filaments out there, with quite a positive user response. Each spool of this filament weighs 1 kilogram and comes with a 200 by 200 mm build surface. The OVERTURE PLA filament is designed with a clog-free patent so that the printing experience is always uniform and smooth throughout its usage. The advanced dimensional measuring and automated manufacturing system of these filaments confirm a diameter of 1.75 mm and a dimensional accuracy of +/0.05 mm. OVERTURE has been making filaments for a very long time, and their options are highly cost-effective and reliable. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is TechBear's PLA 3D Printer Filament. PLA material has a lot of applications such as tools, small equipment, artistic products, decorative modeling, toy making, replacement parts, and many other uses. Thus, most users prefer a color choice to be able to print these products with a different finish. TechBear's PLA 3D Printer Filaments are offered in a lot of colors and shines that make the final products very attractive to look at. Also, these filaments are the cheapest plan options that you can find out there. The HATCHBOX PLA 3D printer filaments are designed with high purity and made out of 100% environment-friendly natural materials that are biodegradable. Thus, the printed objects of these filaments do not add to the existing plastic waste on the planet. Although, these filaments are prone to get damaged from moisture and must be stored in a moisture-free place. Apart from that, it has a standard 1.75 mm diameter and +/0.02 mm tolerance. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Silk Metallic 3D Printer Filament. In the last position, we have more of a combo offer for you as you get not one but 3 different spools in one package. This is also quite a unique printing filament thanks to its shiny silky finish on the outside. Mica 3D offers these filaments in many different colors so that you can choose between a lot of options. The 3D printed items from these filaments have a shine on them and thus, they look very attractive. The Silk Metallic Shiny Red Copper PLA filament spools are universally compatible with all FDM 3D printers currently available in the market. It also melts pretty well under the temperature limit of 205–230 degrees Celsius so that it can be fed smoothly and uniformly. Another advantage of Silk PLA filaments is the 100% tangle-free operation that can create a lot of problems while printing. Pros: does not create any problem in feeding. A lot of color choices are available. Cons: package price is high. The individual spool has less quantity of filaments. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.